Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a haul video. I've just kind of been gathering things and I kind of took a week off. I was just tired and needed a little break, but I had enough videos, pre-recorded. So I'm kind of sitting down now. I got my last load of laundry started and put the first load in the dryer. And I thought I've been compiling some things from Amazon, and I won something from Sharon from Cheap to Chic. I got a cherry on top order, and then I have a Secret Sister package that is phenomenal. But I just thought I would share with you what I have been getting. And first thing that I got was a new watch band. I have the Fossil 6th generation smartwatch that connects to my phone. And so I had a really casual watch band, I guess I should say. And I got just a little dressier one. I just wanted to dress it up a little. So everything from Amazon will be linked down below in the description. Another thing I got was, I don't know if any of you are getting the age that I am, but I am perimenopausal, 51 years old, soon to be 52, and my hair has started thinning out so badly. Like, I will get out of the shower and there will be just in the drain catcher just a handful of hair. So I've been researching and searching for a shampoo and conditioner and maybe, just a system that might work. And I've only used this twice maybe, but it has absolutely calmed down all the hair loss. So this is Luseta. It is biotin and collagen shampoo and conditioner, strengthening and thickening formula. And when I have been researching, you want a shampoo that is free of sulfates, free of parabens, which this is, and this is also gluten-free. I guess if you're allergic to gluten, that you should not use gluten shampoo. I did not even know that was a thing. Gluten-free. But then I also researched, and it says you should take saw palmata, which is an herb. And I don't know if I can just take another, another vitamin, another pill. So I also got the Luseta, this is the strengthening oil treatment. I've only used it once, so I can't really comment on it, other than my hair was not very frizzy, so I like that because I have naturally curly hair. So if you're looking for a shampoo and you are perimenopausal, and yeah, it happens that you apparently lose your hair. I used to have really super thick hair, and now I feel like it's so thin, and I don't like that. So I want my thick hair back. I want my thick hair until they put me in the ground. I just do. I don't care if I have to wear it in a long braid and I'm crippled or whatever, but I want my long hair. I want my thick hair. So anyways, so I will link that Luseta biotin and collagen shampoo. And if you really want to go for it, an herbal saw palmado is an herb supplement, that's the word I was thinking of, that you can take, and it's supposed to reactivate your scalp. Another thing I got from Amazon, is some little no-show socks. I got 6 pairs, I mean. There's only 5 here because I wore a pair. But these were really inexpensive, maybe $8 maybe? But they're very good quality. I like them. And they don't show above my shoe. And then I picked up this from Amazon. This is kit 16, the Distress Inks with Speckled Egg, Crackling Campfire, Rustic Wilderness, and Quiche Flamingo. I do know I already have Speckled Egg, so that will go into a giveaway. I did order on Mercari. This girl had set 13 for like, I think it was $8 plus shipping, but I had a $10 credit, so it came out to like $3 and I would get it. But she never put it in the mail. She printed off a label, but it was never put in the mail, so I canceled my order, which is so frustrating because I need kit 13. And then I picked up these napkins. They say summer vibes. I'm in a summer vibes swap, so I thought these would be fun to give some to my partner, as well as maybe use them for some crafty things. I got these at, I believe, HomeGoods. 40 count beverage napkins with summer vibes. And then I wanted some more of the parasol collection. And I'm going to tell you, I can't even remember where I ordered this from. I think it's from scrapbook.com. But I've had it for a week or two, and I can't remember if it was scrapbook.com. I know I placed an order on Cherry on Top to get the rest of it. But I do have some of this. But I got the 378 sticker book. I love this collection. It's probably one of my favorites. And when I got the 12 by 12 on Amazon for such a cheap price, I'm like, I'm going to search for the rest of that. So I picked up the rest of the parasol. I got the ephemera, 40 ephemera pieces, and here's all the pieces. And then I got the papery pack, which I already have the papery pack. This is just like a repurchase. I forgot that I had it. And then I got the is it 6x8? Yeah. I picked up the 6x8 paper pad because why not? I love this collection. And it has some cut aparts in it. It's so pretty. So I got that. Whoops. And then from a Cherry on Top, I found the rest of the collection. And I had believe they sent me a 20% off coupon when I signed up with Cherry on Top. So I got 20% off my order. I don't know where my order piece is, but that's okay. I got the 47-piece embellishments. So you get the little buttons that are sticky. You get some buttons that are like acrylic little pop-up buttons. And you get all the trim. So that's fun. And then I picked up the note card pad. Oh, I haven't even looked at this. Let's look at the note card pad. You get 40 3x4 notes. They put these on there to protect them so they don't fly open and stuff, but if they could just not be so sticky. But you can use the note card pad as you would a regular paper pad and just make smaller embellishments. I sometimes will use them and send a little card out, just a little note card. But look at these pretty papers. And they're super sturdy cardstock. I love writing a little note to when I send out a swap or a challenge or giveaway challenge, a birthday challenge. Super cute. I love the bows. I saw these bows in this kit, and then I had to go onto Amazon and find me some little bow earrings because I really like those. So there is the little note cards. And then I already had these puffy stickers, 71 puffy stickers. I have this set that I got at Joann's on clearance. And so I just picked up another one because these are so cute. They have bees, the scissors, of course the rabbits. Love it. And then I believe these stickers go with it as well. If they don't, I just got them because they look like they will. So I picked up those stickers. And then I picked up these stickers. They're called Splendid. You are sunshine. Amore. Super cute. And then I got these little 93 stickers. Because why not? You can't have enough. I love this collection. I don't want to hoard it. I want to use it. And then I got the chipboard. 61 chipboard pieces. And I think that hot pink bow is my favorite. I want a little hot pink bow. Just a little smaller earring. But super cute collection. And then a cherry on top sent me a gift. It's a gift for our amazing customers. It's not the product for resale. And then it says something in German, I think. Mente by Corolla. And these are not stickers. This is paper. You mean I had to fussy cut these? Ginger and fussy cutting. Not two words I would use together. And then, of course, it comes in this great bag, which I saved to keep the whole collection in. So, that is my haul. I will link everything I can down below in the description. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.